Okay.
all these. It looks like a whole heap of pieces to me.
Okay, and it is. So with any of our range hoods,
Yeah.
whether it's your QASAIR, your Condor range, we do recommend solid non-flammable ducting. So here we've got your single motor. So majority of QASAIR range hoods have an outlet, have a rectangular outlet.
Yeah.
And that's your rectangular ducting here, which is 240 by 115.
Yeah.
So your lengths of duct as a standard, whether it's single, twin or triple motor, do come in a 1200 length. Now these can be cut down if you need,
Yeah.
to be used later on in the duct run.
Okay.
In the single motor, we also have a 300 version. So if you just need a little run just to the outside,
Yeah.
or just an extra piece,
Yes.
you don't need to buy a 1200,
You buy a
you can
300.
purchase a 300.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
So that's your 240 by 110. Then you've got your similar, again, your rectangular ducting, which is your twin motor, which is 370 by 150. Now it's great because with any of our range hoods, with a single, twin or triple motor,
Yeah.
we have horizontal bends, so if they need to go to the outside or bring the ducting forward.
Yeah.
And we also have a vertical bend. So whether they need to go to the left or right, we do have all the pieces covered.
Wow, it looks like you do cover every single different angle.
Absolutely. So even though it's solid ducting, we do have all the pieces. And again, advantage with being made here in
Yeah,
Australia
yeah.
is we can custom make.
Yeah.
So if one of our standard pieces don't fit, as long as we don't reduce the cross-sectional area,
Yeah.
we can custom make.
That is amazing. Yeah. Fantastic.
And also, we also have round ducting. So we do have a transition that takes you from the rectangular into the round, and then we also have your round ducting,
Yeah.
which are 45 and 90 degree bends. We've got your cowls for the outside, and we've also got wall vents as well.
You've covered absolutely every single different
Absolutely.
angle.
Angles, 45 degree angles,
Wow.
90 degree angles.
Rectangle, round, different variations. Like obviously, you've covered every single situation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And at the back of our brochures, we do have a section here which has your ducting pieces.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it does outline here
Yeah.
with your single motor. We've got your rectangular and also your round for your single motor. Then when we go into your twin motor,
Yeah.
you have three options, which is your 370 by 150, your 250 square or 300 round.
Wow.
So the more motors you have, the larger the ducting.
Obviously. Yeah.
So it is very, very important that we do not reduce the cross-sectional area.
Yeah. Okay. So,
And then we come across to our colour bond
wow.
piece that we do have here.
Yeah.
Now with any of our colour bond pieces, they're always sent out with the protective coating.
Okay.
So that does need to be removed,
Yeah.
either before installation or after it's been installed. So we do have a protective coating to prevent any scratching
So we
on the actual
We
piece.
can have any colour that we want as well.
That is correct. So that's
So-
your colour bond.
So it can match the external house as well.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Yeah.
The other thing also with our brochure,
Yeah.
after the ducting section, is we do have a section with installation ideas.
Yeah.
So with your installation ideas, it does give you different scenarios on how the range hood can be ducted,
Yeah.
and also gives you the model numbers of the duct pieces as well.
Wow. I don't think it's just so overwhelming. You've got so much to offer for every
do.
single household.
Because
you
we
know?
do want to simplify the job
Yeah.
and make it easier.
Fantastic.
So even though we use solid non-flammable ducting,
Yeah.
we do want to simplify the process
Yeah.
with having all the pieces on the back of our brochure,
Yeah.
and also the installation ideas.
And if you get stuck in any single way, just call us and I'll put you onto my husband. He's a professional in that particular area, or I can put you onto Maria to make sure that you get the right ducting for the right range hood and the right situation.
Absolutely. So just with this piece here,
Yeah.
you might be looking at it going, it's huge, it's massive.
Yeah.
That's for our Condor range. So with our Condor range,
Yeah.
it is our alfresco range. So we do have range hoods for your indoor, which is
Yeah.
your QASAIR.
Yeah.
We do have our Condor range, which is your alfresco.
Yeah.
And we also have the Rangecraft, which is a recirculating.
Wow, that's great. There's nothing left. You've covered absolutely everything.
Absolutely. So look, it is very important
Yeah.
that you have the correct ventilation
Yeah.
over the cooking surface.
Yeah.
So where we can install a ducted range hood,
Yeah.
absolutely fantastic. But with your apartments, your heritage listed homes,
Yeah.
where you can't penetrate through your heritage homes,
Yeah.
or can't duct when you're in an apartment, we do have the Rangecraft.
Fantastic, yeah. QASAIR, simply the best.
Thank you.
Thanks again, Maria.
Thanks very
you.
much.
Thanks.
kitchens and bathrooms, don't hesitate. Everything you need is at number 8. Happy.
Trust State Appliances, where quality and service count.